Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on social media pages, or you can sell this skill offline on offline market, or you can go to website related to your niche and sell their skill to these website owners. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a music logo in Canva, or how you can create a logo for music company. So in this case our company name is Candy Music, so let's make a logo for Candy Music. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can easily use it and you can easily learn it, and it is very handy. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section. Here I upload the complete playlist on how to design with Canva. So after watching the playlist you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search for logo and 500 by 500 pixels. So music is represented with purple, pink. So I think this one is good. So here I search for music. There are very good like templates, sorry, elements. So we'll choose one of them. Yeah, it's look good. And after that click on text, and here I write Candy Music. So that's it, our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.